Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video, 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor and sometimes the water pump. The drive belt is found on the passenger side. Using a 13mm ring wrench or an offset wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the time, remove the belt. When you're changing your drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm Allen socket, unscrew the halting screws on the tensioner pulley. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the pulley.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Rescrew it in using the socket wrench from the first operations, then finish off with a torque wrench set at 25 Nm. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all of the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that all the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Then you can put the wheels back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.